Hey guys, and today we're back with another video. It's just going to be a short video, and I just got 74,000, but I want to show you a glitch. This glitch is actually an old one, but I didn't have my YouTube channel then, so I'm showing you now. So what you want to do is simultaneously press enter driver and 4, and then you should be under the motorbike. When getting out, you will glitch. So I'll show you. Look, 3, 2, 1. Didn't work that time. It might take a lot of tries for you to do it, but it won't work as good enough if you're on a laggy device. See, I did it again, and you can actually see your legs like moving. So now I'm going to go and rob the train because last time it kicked me off. Sounds like the motorbike is crying. Oh, train is over here. Sorry if the light gets really dark. Might be the battery. No, it's not the battery. Well, we missed the train. I'm going to see if it works on a different vehicle. Okay. 3, 2, 1. No, it didn't work. Oh yeah, it did. So it does work in other vehicles, but you can't see your legs on the ground or anything. So I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.